Alright, we're going to take a look at the first question in the linear programming section on the midterm review. So for this one, if you want to graph the system of inequalities, you have to make sure that you solve for y first. So for this first equation, all you have to do here to solve for y is to divide everything by 4. So we end up with y is greater than or equal to, you might want to put a 1 in front of that x. So you can see your slope is 1/4 x, and then plus 3. So if we graph that one, we're going to start up at 3 and go up 1 over 4, and down and back. We're going to connect those. And it says that it's supposed to be greater than or equal to this line. So if we were to shade, we would shade above that line. All right. The second equation is y minus 6 is less than or equal to x plus 3. Oh, no, minus 3. To solve for y for this one, all we have to do is add 6 to both sides. So we end up with y being less than or equal to x plus 3. So we're going to start at 3 again. And then our slope is 1, so up 1 over 1. And back the other way. Connect those. This one is less than or equal to, so we would shade below this line. And we have one more line to account for. It's y is less than or equal to 4. That's going to be a vertical line that goes through 4 on the x-axis. So right here. And this one's less than or equal to, so we'd shade to the left. So where all 3 of those shaded regions would overlap would be this section right here. Right, so for part B, it asks, state the vertices of the feasible region. It's just talking about what are the corners of that shape. So we'd have 0, 3, 4, 4, and then 4, 7. Now if you notice, there was one equation that I haven't dealt with yet, and it's this third one. That's what we're going to use to find the maximum and minimum values for this function. So all you have to do is take that function, and I'm going to go ahead and recopy it. F of x comma y is equal to x minus 5y. And you're going to take these 3 points and use the equation, and each time replace the x-coordinate with the first one and the y-coordinate with the second one. So f of 0, 3 would look like 0 minus 5 times 3, which would be negative 15. F of 4, 4 would be 4 minus 5 times 4. So 4 minus 20 would give us negative 16. And then the last one, 4, 7, we have 4 minus 5 times 7. So 4 minus 35 will give us negative 31. All right, so from that list, we're looking for our highest value, which they're all negative numbers, but this one would be our highest, and then our lowest number, which would be here. So when I ask what's the maximum value, the maximum value is this negative 15, and it occurs at the point 0, 3. And our minimum value is negative 31, and that occurs at the point 4, 7.